This is just another part of the H3 2000 H3. I did get the valve out, but not the head of it. So it's definitely in the cylinder head. I guess that's where it's at. I don't think it would have got blown out. But here's the collapsed spring. This is the collapsed spring. And this is where the keepers go. These grooves right here. That's what must have. I don't know if they broke or the spring broke first, and then there was no tension on it, so that's why they just probably fell out. And that's the part that sits on top. And the keepers go in here. There might be another part. I'm not sure. I never had to do a valves. But the craziest thing, when this broke down, it just shut off. I coasted back about maybe 100 yards, and when I got in the parking space, OnStar came on. It just came on. I have the button, but I never pushed it, and it just kept asking, "Do you need assistance?" I kind of ignored it at first. It was a man's voice, and then it said it again, and I was so mad. I was like, "No, I don't need no." And sure enough, it didn't call back after that. But it was weird. It just came through my speakers. OnStar, such and such. Do you need help? I'm thinking no airbags or nothing went off, but I don't know. Crazy.